What I'm going to do today is I'm going to be I'm going to be making a slime smoothie with this blue butter slime and this pink glossy slime. This one's pretty sticky. As you can see, I just played with it and I got slime all over my hands and I tried to get it off. It wouldn't come off. So I decided I'm going to wipe it off on this blue slime. It's actually kind of hard. So, and I actually, it reminded me of my last slime smoothie, and I decided I want to do another one. So, yeah, let's get started. Started. Okay. Yes. Probably should have thought this through. Whatever. Okay, this is so pretty. Okay, and now I'm done with the slime smoothie. As you can see, it is all, you know, it's all mixed in. Just kidding, I ain't done. I'ma go get a bowl. Okay, I have my bowl, and the slime already feels, honestly, better. So, get a piece of that and try and get it in. Whatever, I'm gonna mix it anyways. Anywho, I'm gonna grab that and dunk it in. And beautiful. This is the worst wall ever, but you get the idea. It's really pretty. Can't believe, oh yeah! Make it a slime smoothie with the slime smoothie. I'm so smart. Not. I know this is like really bad of the angle, but yeah. Alrighty. Oh, it's already on my hands. Okay. Come on. Get off. Okay. I just did that. So sticky. Okay. Even though it's like really pretty, it's still kind of sort of sticky. Oh Jesus, like completely forgot. Oh jeez. Completely forgotten the lids are in the shot. Okay. Oh no, is it becoming sticky? I think it actually might be becoming sticky. No. Jeez, I almost spilled all this into my carpet. That would have been traumatizing. Dunk. Can't even lift it. That's all over me again. Okay, I just want to like show you how sticky this is. So like, yeah. It's very, very sticky. Oh god. Alright. Oh gosh, it's so sticky. Okay. Just like, look at how sticky this is. I don't feel like adding activator. So, honestly, the only reason I'm doing a slime smoothie is because I didn't want to activate my pink sticky slime because I'm really lazy. So yeah. This is already an 8-minute long video. Great. Alright, I'm just gonna add a bit more and I think that'll be it, because this is starting to get hella sticky. So yeah, just a little bit. Just a little bit. There. Okay, just gonna mix it in. Oh my god, this is not in the shot, and this is the worst. Okay. Yes. This is a mess. I don't even know if you can see it. Okay. This is a mess. Cause it's spreadable. That's nice. So, oh my gosh. Okay. We're gonna be cleaning. 3, 2. My phone fell in the slime. We're gonna be clean in 3, 2, 1. Bam! I have slime on me. It's all clean. It's magic. Just kidding. I just packed him up and put him right there. Oh my god, I just fell. It fell. No. That was an actual fall. Anyways, I hope you liked the video. Bye. I'm sorry. Anyways, I really hope that you liked the video. Subscribe. Bye.